Hello friends, if you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you get latest notification as soon as we upload the video. So let's get started. Hey guys, how's everyone? So hope everyone is doing good. So this is a 3-inch sky shot from Vinayaga Fireworks. So comes in two pieces and the display is green in color. So I'm really excited for testing this sky shot because I've seen many reviews in YouTube that this sky shot is very good. And let's see the chemical composition of this sky shot. And it's a green fireworks, friends. So the chemical composition is here and its price is 1610, but I got it for 450 and the manufacturing date is March 2019. So let's see how this sky shot works. So let's get started. So guys, as you saw, the sky shot was superb and it covered the whole sky. If you like the video, please like, share and hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed. Thank you so much.